Hello, my revivers. Welcome back to how to DIY and save a dime. I have a haul, and my most exciting things here are the plant-based things that I have from Kroger. In my new area, we have Kroger's again. Yay! We did not have Kroger's in New York. So, yeah. And I seen a couple of videos where people were talking about the Simple Truth Organic brand that is plant-based, so I went and got quite a few things, and I can't wait to try them, and I will definitely update you. So this is like a little haul, grocery haul slash products for the house and other things that were needed, and things that wasn't needed at the same time. I did grocery shop a couple days ago, but that was just last minute. I was tired, we were still unpacking, and I did not get to share that one. But let's start from here. I grabbed these from Save-A-Lot. Now, if I don't want to make a brownie, I don't have a problem with getting a box brownie. And you guys know I make homemade brownies. I make a lot of stuff from scratch, but because of the move, a lot of stuff is still packed away. And the girls wanted some brownies with some ice cream, so I got these because these are actually really tasty. And I got some walnuts. Got this from Save-A-Lot as well. I want to do some buffalo cauliflower, and I got some honey mustard, which I thought was a great steal. But when I went to Walmart, they ended up having it for 2 cents cheaper, regular price, no sale. So if you like honey mustard, I will update you on this because I haven't tried this one, but my daughter likes honey mustard, and I like honey mustard too. Like making the big wedges in the oven and dipping them in honey mustard is so good. So let's move on. That was all I got from Save-A-Lot, this stuff here. Then I got this plant-based mayo, and I usually get just mayo, or I'll get the Hellmann's vegan mayo, but I want to try this, and I will definitely keep you posted. Now, I've been eating grilled cheese sandwiches, and I've been wanting some tomato soup, and I see that when I went there they had this organic tomato soup with coconut cream. OMG. So I'm going to try that. And I am a mushroom lover, which I forgot to get my mushrooms for my Alfredo. Yes, I'm a little disappointed. I have to go back out and get that. So they have some mushroom soup with coconut cream as well, and it looks like it's going to be so good. I will make some nice garlic bread, or those cheddar butter garlic cheddar biscuits, the homemade ones from Red Lobster. I'll make them and probably eat that with it, or some cornbread or something. And I'm going to be doing a taco soup, and so I needed like a chunky ragu, and so I have this. These were on sale at Kroger. They were 2 for $3. And then I have deluxe white cheddar macaroni and cheese, and my daughter and I wanted to try those. Now, I have tried Bonanza Chickpea Pasta, and it has been pretty good. We really like it. So I'm gonna do like an Alfredo with this, like a penne pasta. If you didn't see my video on how to reheat pasta where it's still moist, check that out on my channel. A lot of people love that video because it is so hard to reheat pasta and have it still be moist for leftovers. So check that video out. If I forget to leave it in the description. And then we have some chicken grind, and it is plant-based as well, and it's by Simple Truth. And we also have some turkey style deli slices, salt and pepper. Never tried it, so these are new to me. This is what really had me, because I had to go to Whole Foods to get some cream cheese and some sour cream, but I see that they have this as well, so I got both of those, which is way cheaper than the one I get from Whole Foods. The one from Whole Foods is like $6. These were $3.79 a piece. One was, no, I think this was $2.99, this was $3.79. And then they have a roasted garlic Alfredo. So yeah, and this is organic. So wait a minute, was that? Oh well, I thought this was supposed to say plant-based. But I will tell you guys this: if I dip into anything, it will never, it has never been like an actual piece of meat at all. No meat. I have been doing extremely well. I haven't even broke down and ate a piece of nothing. No bacon, no chicken, no anything. Now my kids and my family still eat that, but I don't. But if I do, it will be cheese if I did break down and eat something. That's probably once or twice a week. I love this squeezed ginger. I was hip to this at Save-A-Lot in New York, and I seen it. They had it at, where did I get this? Kroger's today, so I got that. And then I needed peanut butter, so I wanted to try this Earth Balance peanut butter and coconut spread. So we shall see how that tastes. I needed some aluminum foil, and then I needed some shallots. Oh, aluminum foil was Walmart. Some shallots, and this was a great buy because this was only $2 for all these shallots. It was like a pound for $3.99. I thought I was right at it, but this is really light, so that wasn't bad at all. And then I got this big bag of halos, and that was, I want to say $3.79. Got one that don't, okay, don't look so bad, but yeah. So that was what I got at Kroger's. Save a lot. And then all of this is Walmart. Now I needed another like deeper pan, and I got this Pyrex pan, which is deeper and it's good because it's a nice size for brownies, but also I can do other things like lasagnas and rolls and stuff in here, not worry about it bubbling over. And it came with top, and this was like 14 something at Walmart, so that was a good buy. And then I needed aluminum foil. I needed command strips for the mirrors in my room to put on the sides of my bed because the ceilings are so freaking high. And then I needed this for the shower for my razor, and this for the shower for my bath brush. And then you guys know I've been rocking with this toilet paper and paper towel for years. So I have the big 12 pack. It's supposed to be like 24 rows, and that's the Walmart Great Value brand, and I like it because it's a split sheet, select the size, whatever you want to call it. I needed some more towels because y'all know I love to cook with these on my shoulder. And then I also have the tissue, 16 rolls. That was 9 something, that was 14 something. And then I needed a file cabinet, so I got me a new file cabinet. That was $39. So I got to get all my stuff nice and incorporated, my personal, and then I'm gonna have one for my businesses. So, and then, oh, I got this. This was $5. We went to go look for shovels, and this clock is huge. That is a 47-inch TV behind it. That's how big that clock is. So that is a nice size clock. I thought it was put in the wrong place because it was only $5, but tell me that is not cute. Tell me that's not cute. So check out your local Walmart and see if they have them in your area. And then one more thing I wanted to share with you guys. Don't judge me, I'm still unpacking. This table is full of appliances to go in the pantry. I'm waiting for my cleaning lady to come and clean out the pantry so I can put this up. I got these aprons. Y'all know for Christmas and stuff I like to bake, and these were from Amazon, and it's a full apron, and it's 4 of them for $20. I thought those were so cute. I would put everybody's initials on them, and we can, I'm gonna always have it when I bake, but you know, when other people come over and they cook with me, I'll have some extras. Me and the girls have some. So yeah, I'm excited about that. So these were, let me take it off so y'all can see the whole thing. I tell you, I have like the greatest freaking luck. Come on, focus, focus. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so why the first one I grabbed to show y'all is missing the other side of the apron. So I have to contact Amazon. It's literally missing the other side of the apron. Like, really? How a whole side of the apron is missing? I went to lay it down and show y'all, and it's missing a whole piece. But they feel really nice. They don't feel cheesy. They feel really nice, guys. For aprons, I put my other one in a Goodwill box, so I wanted to get me a new one for this new chapter in my life. Just do away with stuff from, you know, the past. So yeah, this is what they look like, and I have 4 of them, and they were $20 for 4. So I'm going to call Amazon and see what they're going to do about the fact that one of my aprons is missing a string, and then go from there. I'm going to wash them though. But yeah, so that was my haul. If you guys have any questions about anything in this haul, please leave it below. If you have any ideas for any videos you want to see, please leave it below. And guys, I will definitely be cooking and doing more cooking how-to videos, kitchen tips and household tips. Just stay tuned because so much more great stuff is coming because I'm in my new space. So much great stuff is coming, and I love you guys, and I will see you guys later.